And yeah, it's called Reading Between the Lines. Reading Between the Lines. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with yet another luxury haul. This is gonna be a really short and sweet haul. I only have 2 bags to show y'all today. Now, I did get a few of my videos taken down, so honestly it feels like I'm always having to switch things up. I don't know if it was a hater or a YouTube. I just know a lot of girls that look like me are also being targeted. Thoroughly read the description box. Y'all know what to do. I'm gonna jump straight into this video. I have a bag from Saint Laurent and Balenciaga. I did place this order before all of the stuff hit the media. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna waste too much time on it, but I am gonna go ahead and show y'all both of the items anyway. So on top we have Saint Laurent. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy videos like this, and follow my Instagram and TikTok because I film the same type of content over there, just short form. So make sure y'all follow those. I will have the handles on the screen. And yes, like I said, thoroughly read the description box if you didn't catch it in the beginning. I'm jumping straight in. First of all, it's like I'm more excited about this bag than I am the actual bag. So this bag is bomb. I feel like this is such a classic, timeless bag. Here she is. I cannot wait to get my hands on this bag, y'all. This is super cute. Like I said, really classy and timeless. Get into the details. I think it's really cute. It comes in a bunch of colors, but of course I went with the black and gold because that's the vibe I was feeling. But I like how it opens too. It just slides open like that, and then you got the inside, which is just a black suede. It's really nice, y'all. I don't know why my camera is making me look so washed out, especially when I have the exposure low. I am sitting directly in front of my vanity. I don't know, hopefully that's better. But yes, you guys, this is her. Super cute, super classy. Like I said, I'm just really feeling this bag. It gives me real feminine vibes to just have a little shoulder bag moment. So yes, this is the bag up close, y'all. So pretty. Like, it's so plain, but I feel like this is just a classic and definitely a necessity. It looks so good with the red nails. But yeah, I don't have much else to say about this bag other than it is bomb, and I'm super happy that I got my hands on it. She's so cute, y'all. Like, it's not much to say. The style is just super classy, really feminine. It's a little handbag moment, and it's also adjustable at the strap. So if you wanted it a little tighter, a little looser, you can control that at the top. I think this is so cute and classic, and I love the way that they have it open. That's just so cute to me, and I definitely can see myself getting this bag in other colors. So that is bag number 1. Like I said, jumping straight into it, and this bag haul is very many because I only have 2 items to show y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all wanted me to like include these types of videos in my other content, like other fashion content or my vlogs, because I'm thinking about just doing unboxings within other videos instead of making these their own. But I don't know if I want to do that because these videos do really well on my channel. I kind of want to keep the dedicated videos, but I don't know, y'all, it's becoming a little bit more harder for me to do that, and I don't want to lose my channel. So this is the second bag. If you know, you know. I'm definitely not for, like I said, what's going on in the media, but I placed this order before all of that, so I'm showing y'all anyway. And it just kind of sucks because I can't support that type of behavior or that cause or none of that. I have to admit that the hourglass bag is one of my favorite top styles of bags, period. I don't know, it's something about this look. I love this crocodile print, and I love the metallic silver color. I did go ahead and just attach the straps right away. Yeah, y'all, this bag is just so gorgeous. I love the little small details, and I do have this bag in the gold color in a mini, just to show y'all. I did feature her on the channel once before, but this is the size difference. So this is like the mini, and this is like the medium, I believe. I have other colors and prints, as y'all know, that I featured on the channel before. Like I said, she's gorgeous, but the brand and what they got going on is just honestly sad. But yeah, y'all, these were the 2 bags that I went ahead and picked up recently and wanted to show y'all. Like I said, make sure y'all follow my social medias because I do other short form content of the same type of content over there. So yeah, these were the 2 bags in today's haul. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see as far as bags, as far as hauls. Y'all are just gonna have to thoroughly check the description box. And yeah, it's called Reading Between the Lines. Reading Between the Lines. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video and videos like this. Make sure you follow my social medias and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.